you can take everybody.
And then there's somewhere it's way too thin.
Okay, and then you can do here.
Man, look at the world's ugliest roast.
Yeah, yours looks good.
Sashimi. Ooh, sashimi too much.
Okay. And then the
Italian, but how'd you do once you get to the entrance?
Okay.
Just roll until, no need to.
After you.
Just let it, and then upside down.
It's okay. It's not that ugly.
Yeah, not too nice.
Yay!
And then I mix up and I put in there.
Yeah, you can just this, okay, and then just put them in. Yes,
Oh, yan yung gawa ko.
Yeah. Ini Audrey, now ready for photography.
Keep it one You mix it together, love. That's my pomelo salad.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
Good. Insert on your plate.
Yeah, I gotta have proof that I made this.
Beautiful. Okay. Mix the dressing.
Fine, you've got to. Is this okay or do you need to?
Yeah,
Really slowly.
no.
Yeah.
Slowly.
It's okay.
Back up.
And
Back up.
Oh,
Sit out. Spoons and a break up.
oh, don't hold it. Just put on the floor.
Yeah, but you're
And then
professional.
cover, and then upside down. Wow.
there we go.
Yeah. Nice. Ooh. Okay, move. Beautiful. Yeah.
You